The Impossible Burger produced by Impossible Food is one of the most prominent plant-based meat substitute available in the market. It aims to mimic the taste, texture, and sizzling qualities of beef without using animals. When considered about the ingredients, the primary ingredients include soy protein concentrate, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and natural flavors. A key ingredient responsible for its meaty flavor and bleeding appearance is heme, which is sourced from genetically modified yeast. Now let's see how the taste and texture of Impossible meat alternative. Thanks to him, the Impossible Burger achieves a taste that's close to real meat. Heme is an iron-containing molecule, which not only gives the burger its meaty flavor but also allows it to bleed like beef. Texturally, the combination of plant proteins and oils allow the burger to have a similar mouthfeel to ground beef, making it appealing even to some non-vegetarians. Additionally, to mimic the fibrous texture of meat, plant proteins undergo texturization process, often using extrusion. This process involves forcing the protein mixture through an extruder where it is exposed to heat and shear, transforming its structure to resemble the fiber of muscle tissue found in meat. The heme in the Impossible Burger, which is responsible for its meaty flavor and reddish color, is produced using genetically modified yeast. This is a fermentation process where yeast cells, which have been engineered to produce the heme protein, a version of soy-like hemoglobin, are grown in large fermentation tanks. Once the fermentation is complete, the heme protein is isolated and purified. The burger's fat content, which contributes to its juiciness and flavor, comes primarily from coconut oil and sunflower oil. These oils are chosen and blended to mimic the melting behavior of animal fats. Encapsulation techniques might be employed to ensure the oil distributes and behave in the burger similar to fat in ground beef, providing that juicy burst when bitten into. Beyond heme, other natural flavors are added to perfect the meaty taste. The selection and optimization of these flavor compounds are based on extensive sensory and analytical research. The burger's color and undergoes a transformation when cooked, transitioning from a reddish raw meat color to a brown cooked meat appearance. This is achieved through the Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives a brown food its distinctive flavor. The presence of heme enhances this reaction in the Impossible Burger. To ensure the burger holds together during cooking, certain ingredients like methyl cellulose are added. Methyl cellulose gels when heated, which helps the burger maintain its shape when cooked, much like the proteins in beef coagulate to hold a beef patty together. The development and production of the Impossible Burger is a harmonious blend of traditional food processing technique with cutting-edge food science and biotechnology innovations. The aim has been not only produce a plant-based alternative to meat, but to genuinely replicate the sensory and nutritional experience of beef. This approach highlights the transformative potential of food technology in shaping the future of food. This is the brief overview of Impossible plant-based burger patty. If you need any clarification, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.